Hey guys, so the case kind of had to be redesigned. So this is version 3, had to go through different designers and different variations, and had to use the caliber to measure every single pore section of the board. We wouldn't be doing this much for a case unless, the stakes are probably very high. A lot of plans in terms of what we want to do with Riemann computing and StarCom Global, and if you've seen some of the recent videos, also a lot of plans with philanthropy fee stuff and all that. So obviously very mission driven. But one of the core things is this hole or that little insert over there. Each millimeter is very important, especially if you want to talk about the fan and the coverage. And then another core thing is that slot for the wire. So working on this design, hopefully hopefully with that in mind, there should be other things as well, which includes core considerations for the second variation, well, more like the third variation of the compute module, and all the other core updates in regards to different design considerations. So there's definitely a lot going on. Something that is also very interesting is the snap case design, which again is very, very important and very critical. Anyways, I will see you guys later. This is just a mini update. Peace.